Raise your glass and get ready to celebrate. Stonehill College is thrilled to introduce Hillhaus, a special Oktoberfest Märzen beer crafted in collaboration with Easton's very own Shovel Town Brewery, a beloved microbrewery and taproom. This unique brew captures the lively and spirited essence of Stonehill, making it the perfect companion for game day festivities and beyond. A huge thank you to Shovel Town Brewery for partnering with us to create this bold and flavorful beer, said Dean O'Keefe, Stonehill's Director of Athletics and a proud alumnus from the class of 1994. Hillhaus is more than just a drink. It embodies the strong sense of community and pride that defines the Hill, especially during tailgates and sporting events. Wondering how to get your hands on this exclusive Stonehill brew and some limited edition Hillhaus t-shirts? Here's the full scoop. 1. Pre-order online. Secure your Hillhaus cans and t-shirts ahead of time for 2 exciting football games. The family weekend matchup against the University of Pennsylvania on Saturday, September 20th at 1 p.m. and the homecoming game versus Long Island University on Saturday, September 27th at 1 p.m. Both games will be held at W.B. Mason Stadium. Simply place your order online at https:/order.toasttab.com/online Shovel Town Brewery and pick up your items on game day at these convenient spots. From 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., visit the Shovel Town pop-up tent located in the tailgate lot. Afternoon, head over to the Shovel Town Beer Garden near the north end zone. 2. Purchase on game day. You can also buy Hillhaus draft beer and t-shirts during the games themselves. However, please note that cans are exclusively available through pre-order and will not be sold at the stadium. 3. Visit Shovel Town Brewery. If you prefer to enjoy Hillhaus off-campus, stop by the Shovel Town Tap Room at 50 Oliver Street, Northeastern Massachusetts, 02356, where you can pick up a 4-pack of this special brew. Here's an important detail that might spark some debate. A portion of the proceeds from every Hillhaus purchase will go directly to the GoHill Fund. This fund plays a crucial role in supporting more than 500 Stonehill student-athletes competing across 23 Division I sports teams. Curious to learn more about how your purchase helps? Visit https://www.stonehill.edu/giving explore areas to give GoHill Fund for all the details. As you savor the smooth, refreshing flavors of Hillhaus, Stonehill College reminds all members of Skyhawk Nation to enjoy responsibly. After all, celebrating community and school spirit is best done with care and respect. But here's the part most people miss. Does launching a college-branded beer blur the lines between promoting school spirit and encouraging alcohol consumption among students? What do you think? Is this a smart way to build community, or could it send mixed messages? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.